Dolly. Peekaboo. How's that pretty girl? I'm watching the TV down. How's that? Is that a bit better? Would you like to say hello to the good people, Dolly? Oh, maybe you can say Happy Friday. Happy Friday, good people. Dolly, do you feel like having a yarn? Bit of a chat? You were just having a little squawk. Would you like to have a talk instead of a squawk? Dolly, my pretty girl. Ah, Gecko! Oh, no, 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 no. Hey! That's really loud, Dolly. Shh. You can do it quieter. 5. I think there was 7 actually. Yay! Gecko! 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 Hello, Dolly. Pretty girl. You are a pretty girl. Say hello to the good people, Dolly. Say hello to the good people. You've got lots to say, I know that. You've got heaps, heaps and heaps and heaps. Yes, you are. You are pretty. Pretty girl. Thank you, Dolly. Oh, shh. Oh, kiss. Kisses. Wow, whoa. It's a lovely big whistle. What about, it could be a magpie? What does magpie say? What does the magpie say? It goes, do 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 do. I can't do it properly. Now there's a gecko. Gecko, gecko, gecko. Gecko! Sometimes she has trouble stopping that, so I have to sort of help her by saying gecko. Oh, a bit of a scratch time. Sorry, Dolly. It is late and you are, I thought you were getting ready for sleep. Oh, big stretch. Oh dear. You've had lots to eat and you floofed yourself all up. Floofy, floofy. Oh, nice and fluffy. Oh, big yawn. Is it time for bed for little birdies? Oh. Oh, kiss. Oh, magpie. Is that a magpie? What about Chevy? Gecko. Gecko. We're meant to be learning to count, really. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you want to tell the good people what you've been doing lately, which is really strange? Dolly's been going out of the blue. She's been making the tune of Hallelujah. How's it go? Not the, no. Uh, I can't do it. Once she does it, I'm going to film her. It's like, it's not the song Hallelujah, but it's Hallelujah, 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 Hallelujah. It's that tune. Now, we don't have that tune playing unless she's seen it or heard it on TV, but she's just starting it lately, and it means, bless God or whatever, but she makes the tune perfect. I'm really quite perplexed as to how she's heard that one. Um, she's just having a scratch. She's got her back to us, so it's not the best angle. Hey, Dolly, sweetie. Dolly, over this way. Oh, sorry. You having a just having a nightly scratch before bed, I'd say, before sleep. All right, Dolly. Well, we'll let you go. We'll let you go, and we'll say good night. Good night, Dolly. Yeah. Oops, a daisy. I've come a little close with the camera, but you can handle that, surely, Dolly. Yeah. What you looking at down there? Oh, oh, just having a bit of a scratch. Yeah, I know the feeling. Sometimes you're just gonna have a scratch. All right, guys. Well, um, happy Friday. Have a wonderful day or night in your part of the world, and thank you for spending time with Dolly and I. Um, I have been telling hello, Dolly, to the people who want to say hello. So we are practicing hello, Rick and Havoc. I might just try Rickon or Havoc, just one word. But I've been telling her anyway, and she does pick up words, and I can't make her say those words, but randomly she does. Don't you, Dolly? When we least expect it, like I said, the hallelujah thing. I just really don't know where she got that from. Don't know, but might have been that on TV, or maybe she was watching something at 2 in the morning that has some sort of religious overtone with a choir singing Hallelujah. I don't know. It's quite fascinating. So hopefully I can catch that on video when she's having a yarn next. Can't make Dolly talk, you know. She wants to, she will, and sometimes she just goes on and on and on, which is wonderful. But this time isn't the time, this time's scratch time. And it's night time too, so yeah. Alright guys, we'll go, and I say that a few times before I actually leave. I'm just having a little smile and at Dolly having a good scratch there. Oh, that must feel good. She does this little thing before she goes, oh. Did you get it? Was that one annoying you? Is that little feather annoying you, was it? You all better now, Dolly? Feeling good? Off to sleep now? Betty buys for little birds and big birds? Alright, Dolly, I'm gonna come around here and go, good night, Dolly. Love you. Do you want to say good night, good people? Just once. Good night, good people. Close up. And close up. Look, so the good people could see how gorgeous you are. Oh, what was that? It's a little shake of the head. Alright, Dolly. Love you. Bye for now. Goodbye, good people. Oh, actually, she's looking around like that because she can hear the wind coming up outside. It's getting quite breezy. I might have to cover her up so she feels secure, and she will sleep. Alright, again, bye for now. Catch you later.